Come inside. See, this is the AC.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll make it fine. And these days, we have to go everywhere. I have to see all these cases. You don't take tension, ma'am. I'll make it all right.
That you have to do.
Okay, tell me, how long is this AC with you?
2 years?
2 years. And how many times it got damaged?
5 to 10 times it has been.
Tell me, 5 or 10 times. I have seen people that their ACs got 18 or 20 times damaged. Let me check
Now
now.
please don't act smart. Please repair it.
I will make it all right. Okay, ma'am. Tell me one thing.
What?
Are you angry like this every day?
No, sometimes. Actually, the thing is, my husband doesn't give me time. He's always busy in office. That's why I'm removing frustration on you.
Oh, like this. So, do one thing. Why don't you scold me only?
No issues. You please repair it. Please.
Ma'am.
Yeah. 1 minute. Remove your shoes, please.
Oh, yes. I was about to remove my shoes only. It gets out of my head sometimes.
And socks also. Do it quickly. I'm getting frustrated.
Madam, this much of anger is not good for your health. Haven't you listened? What does your husband do?
Nothing.
Nothing?
You do your work, please.
Yes, I will do that, of course. Ah,
By the way, what's your name?
Garvit,
Nice name.
thank you. Tell me, can I know your name?
Rajni.
Oh, very nice. You have a lovely name.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, you are drenched in sweat.
Yes,
Come on, I'll get you a juice.
yes, why not? Can I wear my shoes?
Yeah. You wear shoes, I'll get juice for you.
Yes. Wow, how beautiful she is. What I am thinking and what I am doing. Oh, my heart. I'll have to do something. I'll have to do and talk with her. This juice is really good. Like you.
Have it more?
Yes. Thank you. Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
You look very beautiful when you are angry. And your eyes and your beautiful earrings and your smile. Oh God. What do I tell?
Should I tell something?
Huh?
You are very talkative.
That I know from my childhood. What do you know? I have to tell like this. I go to many people's house to repair their AC, their air conditioner. So if we are not like attractive, then people will not connect with us. So we have to behave like this.
If the AC doesn't work again, can you give me a card?
Yes. If your AC get damaged again, so you can call me at this number anytime.
Thank you.
I'll be there anytime. Okay, tell me one thing.
Yeah?
Let's imagine this AC doesn't get damaged and I want to meet you. So then, can I meet you?
Yeah, sure. Anytime.
Okay, then I'll leave.
Listen, I've made food. Please have it and go.
No, I'll have to leave now. Client is waiting for me.
Please, I've cooked it with so much of love. Anyways, I get bored and my husband doesn't give me time anymore.
I wish I could help you. But next time for sure. I'm sorry for this time. I'll have to go now.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Come on, I'll leave you out.
Huh. Bye.
Bye.
This juice is really good. Like you.
Have it more?
Yes. Thank you. Can I tell you something?
Yeah,
You look very
say.
beautiful when you are angry. And your eyes?
Garvit. Such a sweet guy. Let's call him. Hello? Garvit?
Yes.
Actually, I was missing you a lot. I was angry in the beginning, But you are too cute, really.
Thank you.
I wanted to talk something.
Yes, tell me.
Can we be friends?
We are friends till now, don't you think? And a friendship for lifetime, and we can stay together forever.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Tomorrow, if I don't have any work, for sure we'll meet. I'll try for sure. What are you doing?
Nothing, just thinking about you.
Don't think too much, you'll fall in love.
Come on, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye.
Rajni, what have you made this kind of tea?
What happened?
Pathetic, very bad. There's no taste in this tea.
What's wrong in this?
You don't know anything to cook. You don't even keep the house clean. Only fashion, only makeup. And shopping is every day.
Listen, you're just talking too much. Just keep quiet. That AC repair guy is much better than you.
What AC repair guy? What are you talking about?
None of your business. Whoever I talk about,
That means you are having fun staying inside the house. And you are having affair somewhere outside, isn't it?
how can you say like that?
I'm leaving. From today, I'll not even see your face. And I'll not even talk to you.
Hello?
Hello.
Garvit, are you free right now?
Yes, tell me what happened.
Actually, the AC got damaged again. Can you please come now?
Yes, I can come. I'll come again.
Okay, thank you.
Arey, this AC is working good.
If I would have not lied, then you would have come.
Oh, so this was a plan that you called me. What is your plan, lady?
Actually, the thing is, I got bored at home. So I thought I should call you. I've made delicious lunch. Come on, we'll have lunch.
I'll definitely have the lunch. But tell me one thing. You look very worried today.
No, I'm not worried.
No, tell me there's something.
Actually, Garvit, I wanted to talk to you from such long.
First you come here. You look seriously worried today. You can tell me if anything is wrong with you. Please tell me no.
Garvit, I don't want to stay with my husband. You're a very nice guy. You care about me.
I also like you very much. But I want to know what happened with you.
Garvit, it's a really long story. I can't tell you right now. I want to stay with you forever and ever.
I also want to stay with you. But before that, I want to know everything about you. I don't want to care about your past anything. I don't care. But I want your present and your future to make very beautiful. When I saw you for the first time, I fell in love with you. How beautiful it was, isn't it? You were so angry. And then slowly we started talking.
But now I don't get angry.
But I can handle you now.
Actually, the thing is, my husband used to be very bad. No, he is still bad. That's why I want to stay with you.
Now what has happened? Let's not talk about that. Let's talk about our future, you and me, and our world.
Garvit, you're such a nice guy. I love you, seriously.
I love you too.